and I will have someone from this Kawasaki showroom to talk about the price. And guys, there are so many offers also going on. मतलब जो फाइनल प्राइस पे कोई डिस्काउंट भी चल रहा है, तो उसके बारे में भी आपको मैं डिटेल दूंगा. हाउएवर, आपको फाइनल ऑन रोड प्राइस या फिर डिस्काउंट कितना है, कैसा आपको डिस्काउंट अवेल करना है, फॉर दैट यू कैन कॉल अप द शोरूम एनी टाइम. आई विल गिव द कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स ऑफ द शोरूम इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. आप उनको कॉल कर सकते हो. सो आई हैव अनुदीप फ्रॉम शोरूम एंड ही विल बी द कॉन्टैक्ट पर्सन. आपको जो भी डिटेल जानना है, प्लीज कॉल हिम. एंड नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द प्राइस ऑफ ऑल द बाइक्स. यू लुक एट द नंबर ऑफ बाइक्स वी हैव हियर एंड फ्यू मोर बाइक्स विच आर नॉट अवेलेबल इन द शोरूम. उनके बारे में आपको, जैसे 6R अवेलेबल नहीं है ना, एंड 650 वर्सेस ऑल्सो ना. सो फॉर द बाइक्स विच आर नॉट अवेलेबल इन द शोरूम, यू कैन कॉल दिस पीपल एंड दे विल टेल यू कितने दिन में अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. आई थिंक प्रोबेबली विद इन वीक और 2 हो जाएगा ना. हाँ, ठीक है. तो अब हम लोग बात करेंगे प्राइस के बारे में. सो अनुदीप भाई, मेरे 3-4 क्वेश्चन रहेंगे हर एक बाइक के बारे में. आपको पूरा आंसर कर देना, ठीक है. एंड गाइज, इफ वी मिस समथिंग एंड यू हैव एनी अदर क्वेश्चन, प्लीज कॉल दिस पीपल. यू कैन ऑल्सो पुट इन कमेंट्स. आपका क्वेश्चन कुछ है तो कमेंट में भी आप डाल के पूछ सकते हो. आई विल आंसर देयर. तो फर्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट निंजा 300. सो भाई, इसमें कितने कलर है?
In this one, we have 2 colors available in India now, actually.
Okay.
So there is a no production and availability of the green color. So we may come up with the BS6 editions in the green color.
BS6. That's good news.
In the next 2020.
Right. Okay.
Now we have the candy plasma blue and the ebony black.
Yeah, and you know,
new launch.
I like that color. अच्छा लग रहा है वो.
It's a very good color.
हाँ. So the second question I have, what is the on-road price of this?
So on-road price of this one is 3,72,000 in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Which is including 14% road tax.
Okay. So see, guys, anything we are talking about the price, when we talk about the price, it is 14%. That means, अगर आपका, if it is the first vehicle for you, then it will be 9%. If it's the second vehicle for you, then it will be 14%. So we will talk about the 14%. So whatever the price we'll say, that will be including 14%. Okay. So इसका प्राइस आपने बताया 3,72,000. एंड कुछ ऑफर इसके ऊपर नहीं है. हाँ, we have Z900 here and I have the same bike. I waited for this color for almost 15 days and then somehow हमारे घर वालों ने बोला कि नहीं, go for the white one because every
the brand new color.
I got the very good color and people are appreciating it. So अभी इसके बारे में मेरे क्वेश्चन ये है कि इसमें कितने कलर्स है एंड कितने दिन में अवेलेबल हो सकता है? आई थिंक ये तो रेडीली अवेलेबल है.
We also have the white color.
Okay.
We can give it to you in a week's time. In case of unavailability.
Okay.
If it is available, we can give you on the spot.
So there are 3 colors in this.
Yes, 3 colors.
एक तो ये होगा, this is
black and we have the white one. And there is also a metallic moondust gray.
So वो वहाँ पे है, वो आपको हम लोग बाद में दिखाएंगे देर. और इसका ऑन रोड प्राइस कितना है और इसके ऊपर क्या डिस्काउंट? मुझे लगता है कि इस पर डिस्काउंट तो नहीं होगा.
Discount तो नहीं है actually. इसका प्राइस है 9,55,000.
9,55,000, which includes 14%
road tax.
Right. And guys, again I'm telling you, for the final price, कुछ अगर आपको बात करना है, please call these people. This is the maximum price I'm telling you, which includes 14% of road tax. ये है Z650 and it looks same like 900, लेकिन क्या है, थोड़ा डिफरेंस है. तो
2-cylinder engine.
हाँ, this is the twin cylinder. तो इसका मुझे प्राइस बताओ और इसकी अवेलेबिलिटी अभी है या नहीं. अगर किसी को बुक करना है तो कैसे बुक कर सकते हैं और कितने दिन में ये बाइक आ जाएगा?
Availability it is ready now actually.
Okay.
So coming to the discount price, we are offering 58,950 rupees discount on the ex-showroom.
Okay.
So what happens is automatically the road tax comes down.
Okay.
So the maximum on-road price will be 6,16,340 rupees.
Okay. And
which includes 14%.
Okay, 14% and उसके ऊपर डिस्काउंट कुछ है?
That's the best price we can give.
have 2 more Ninja 300s here and personally I like this color. See कितना, वो भी बहुत अच्छा कलर है, तो शाइनिंग, ये भी शाइनिंग है, लेकिन इसका मुझे अलग ही एक चस्का लग गया है. जो मून डस्ट जो कलर हमने बताया था 900 का,
Metallic moon dust.
हाँ, मेटालिक मून डस्ट.
The most loved color in the Z900. If you check out the detailing in this one, it's a pretty good color.
Okay.
So most of them love this one.
सो ये लेट्स से अगर मुझे ये बुक करना है तो मुझे लगता है एज यू सेड दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ स्पेशल एडिशन, तो कितना टाइम लगेगा आने में ये कलर के बारे में?
It may come like company provided us once in 6 months actually.
6 मंथ में एक बार. तो लेट्स से अगर किसी को ये कलर बुक करना है तो 6 मंथ लगेगा अभी पक्का?
Around 4 to 6 months.
एंड दिस इज ऑलरेडी बुक्ड ना? Okay, now we have Ninja 1000 here. So how many colors we have in this?
We have 2 colors in this one. So currently in the market we have 2 colors.
And green and there's one more color.
Emerald blaze green.
Okay.
And there is also a metallic sparkle black.
Okay, and on road कितना रहेगा इसका?
The original on-road price for this one is 12,71,000.
12,71,000.
71,000. So now we are offering a discount of 85,150 rupees on the ex-showroom.
Okay.
So you'll be getting it for 11,16,357 with 9% road tax.
Okay. And availability
Availability, we can give it to you.
on the spot,
Yeah, if you want the green color immediately, if you want the black color, give us just a week's time.
1 week time. हाँ 900 का टेस्ट राइड लेना है तो दिस इज द बाइक. एंड उसके बाद में अपने पास है 650.
Yes.
कलर कितना है इसमें?
We have only one color availability now.
ग्रीन कलर. हाँ
This is called the lime green, and this is the KRT edition.
क्या
This
एडिशन?
is KRT edition, and on this one we are offering a discount of 58,950. So you will be getting a vehicle for 6,50,159.
तो दैट इज इंक्लूडिंग द डिस्काउंट.
9% road tax.
हाँ
including
एंड इनको डिस्काउंट. एंड अवेलेबिलिटी इसकी
we can give you immediately.
on the spot. We have Vulcan, and see there are two variants in Vulcan. This black
It's a
one,
black one. It's a
matte black.
Yes.
And we have one more guys in this, the orange color ना.
Orange,
दो
हाँ,
कलर.
orange.
So दोनों का हमें प्राइस बताओ और अवेलेबिलिटी बताओ इसका.
Okay. So the discount price is we will be giving a discount of 65,500 on the ex-showroom price.
On the ex-showroom price.
And you will be getting the vehicle for 5,67,667.
Okay, 5,66,000.
67,667.
Right, and that's on road.
That's the on-road price.
And I heard that की for the orange color the price is different.
It's a 10,000 rupees.
10,000 rupees. 5 lakhs around 75 तक आ जाएगा ना. Okay, and this is guys, it is available in the showroom. Please come and do you have test ride of this?
Yeah, it's a test vehicle.
Test. Yeah. So this is a tested vehicle, and you want the new one, you can get on the spot. And if you are looking for the orange color, I think we'll have to wait
Yes, yeah.
for a week. And then we have the Turing machine, the Ghoda horse, and भैया color इसका on road price, any discount?
We are not offering any discounts on this one, but we can offer something if someone is interested in the Versys 1000. So now the current on-road price for the Versys 1000 is 13,30,000 in the Hyderabad market.
So how many colors we have in this?
Two colors are available in the market now.
Okay.
One is white, pearl white, and the other is emerald blaze green.
Okay. W800 the new edition जो अपना अभी फैमिली में शामिल हुआ है.
This one is the 775cc vertical fin engine.
Okay. How many colors?
There is only one.
Only one color, guys. Only one color in this. What is the on road of this and any discount on this?
The honor of this one is 9,89,000, 14% road tax, Hyderabad market.
Okay. There's no discounts.
No discounts actually.
No discount. No.
Being a new launch.
It's a new loan, no discount. And finally, guys, I'm telling you, this is not road legal. And बाकी डिटेल्स आपको अनुदी बता देंगे. हाँ, तो एक बार आपको दिखा देता हूँ. तो भैया बताइए इसका प्राइस क्या है और स्पेसिफिकेशन इफ यू कैन टेल अस.
Specification coming to this one, this is a 99cc two-stroke machine, which has immense power actually.
हाँ, that is
Very powerful machine, light in weight. And coming to this one, this is 4,90,000
on road.
actual.
Actually, 4,90,000.
This
Super.
won't have any road taxes, right?
अच्छा अच्छा. Oh, so because we will not be riding it on the road, na? हाँ.
Even we are delivering it with very good discounts.
Right. So, guys, on this also you have discounts, but how much discount you can get on this? Please call up these people. So, I think we covered all the bikes, and okay. Now the number of bikes we did not cover. Other bikes you can call these people because I couldn't show those bikes to you because available नहीं है और demand तो ज़्यादा चल ही रहा है Kawasaki का. तो जो भी बाइक्स आपको यहाँ पे नहीं दिखे जैसे निंजा 400 है एंड 6R है 10R है, यू कैन कॉल दिस पीपल. एंड अच्छा इसकी निंजा 400 पे भी डिस्काउंट कुछ है ना? कितना है?
So we are offering 58,950 rupees discount on the actual Ninja 400. So the final on-road price will be 5,31,603, 9% Hyderabad market.
Right. And availability कितने में मिल जाएगा? Within a week or two?
Within a week's time.
Any bike which is not available in the showroom, they are going to take maximum 2 weeks, not more than that. Because so any bike which is not available in the showroom, please wait for 2 weeks and you will get the bike. And guys, that's all I had. And any more questions you have, तो चिच्चा 800 लेके जा रहे हैं, मस्त दिख रही ना कलर. Okay. So any more details, any other information you want, please call. I mean, you can put in comments. Call him with the number in the description box. So that's all, guys. That's all I had from my side. If you like the video, please hit that like button. First time you are visiting my channel, please subscribe to channel and then press the bell icon. That's
Hi guys, we are also planning for a buyers and sellers meet, one of a kind, first time in Hyderabad city. So the thing is, the main thing of this event is you can directly deal it with the buyer. So we will be facilitating you this thing, so you can come and talk to the buyer or a seller, and you can make a good deal actually.
and you need to also tell when it is and what is the timing and where is the place. Venue किधर है?
Okay, the venue is Kawasaki Hyderabad showroom, which is the road number 12, Banjara Hills, right beside the old Audi showroom. And the event is on 16th and 17th of November 2019, on Saturday and Sunday. The event will be from 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. and all the brands are invited for this event actually.
Okay.
So you can walk in freely.
Moreover, you can also follow these people on Instagram because that is where they update all the details. आपको प्राइस का डिटेल जो भी डिस्काउंट चल रहा है वो आपके इनके इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे मिल जाएगा. तो दैट्स ऑल गाइस, बाय बाय. और अभी सिनेमैटिक वीडियो देख के जाओ.
I've been watching you.